Hey everyone, I'm glad that the other video about the XPS wasn't my last video, first and last video. But today I'm gonna unbox one of the things I bought from Dell again. This is the new Alienware Tri-Mode uh, 920H. So it's basically, I would say probably the third generation of Alienware headsets in the recent years. So they've had a premium offering in their first generation. So, and there's a second generation which is focused more on the mid-tier and the lower tier segment, which is not wireless. But this, well, to conform with their new Legend 2.0 design, they're actually releasing a newer one that will probably go along with your, Alienware X15, X17. So I'm pretty excited about this because on one hand, I do sort of trust Dell's product, because my whole ecosystem is actually Dell, but also the industrial design makes it feel like it's a little gamery, but not in a way that's really makes it feel like you're going all out on that thing, right? So, this will be a cool unboxing because I've literally not, taken this off yet. So, it's an easy pull tab, so you can literally just, pull this off and then voila, you can actually pull it open. So it's actually very simple packaging. As you can see, this is on sale for probably $199 USD. So this is the Luna Night version, and there's a sort of a Dark Side of the Moon version, which will probably come out a little later. I mean, I saw it on the website on the first day, but it disappeared around 3 minutes later when I was about to order. So all right, so releasing the Velcro. All right, so that easy takes it out. And then as you can see, it's actually, very much cushioned so that it'll probably fit my ear pretty well. Well, no, my head pretty well. So up here, there is the ANC, and there is a mic mute option, and there's also a mode selection. So basically, Bluetooth 2.4 gigahertz dongle style, and others. So basically, and there's also a USB Type-C jack over here, and a 3.5 millimeter audio jack. So in the box, we also have a boom mic. So that supposedly will light up like this. All right. So we're gonna plug this in. Let's see which direction. All right, here we go. All right, plugged in. And as you can see, that by pulling this part out, you're greeted with the accessory kit. So this is a carrying pouch, which I'll show you guys later. And then there is obviously the 3.5 millimeter audio jack. And this is probably the charging cable, but I'm not sure whether this actually connects via USB, but we'll see later. All right, so this is probably, there's a Type-C dongle, which is basically for the 2.4 gigahertz, and there's a Type-C to USB-A adapter inside. And then let's see. Well, I don't know why I'm wishing for a sticker, but there's no sticker, obviously. There is a little card, that gives you that cool Alienware logo. And then, as you can see, this is the Alienware Tri-Mode wireless gaming headset. All right, so safety information. All right, so as promised, I'll show you the carrying pouch before I sort of end the unboxing. Oh wait, there we go. Carrying pouch. Oh, this actually looks, it actually looks pretty comfy. Yeah. All right. So you can see that it has an adjustable air cup, which is standard these days, but it's always good to know that it's there, right? All right, so as you can see, it fits pretty well even with my huge head. And the passive noise cancellation seems to be working pretty well because it fits really snugly. And I do feel that it seems that this will not be an issue for long gaming sessions. This does feel sort of like my experiences with Sony's cushion, the noise canceling one. So yeah. And so as you can see, after turning it on, it shows up in the iconic Alienware color, which is sort of like that cyan color, so to speak. And by pressing the mic mute button, you can literally see that the mic has the red light ring around it. So when you press it again, it goes off. I mean, it's not like you can actually see it yourself, like once you're wearing it, but you know, it's I guess it's nice. And then as you can see, um, that when you adjust the ANC on and off, there will actually be a prompt that tells you that the ANC is on or off. And on first try, it does seem that even without the Alienware Command Center, it can function pretty well. I actually pretty like it. And as for the Alienware Command Center, I'm personally not a big fan because it takes a long time to install, and then every time you log in, it's asking you for a basically for an update. So not a big fan of that, but we'll take a look at what it offers in terms of functionality. This is the main menu for Alienware Command Center. As you can see, there's not a lot of options here because I'm using the XPS 8950, which is not an Alienware system, so most of these options are grayed out. As you can see, within the FX section, there are options to change your lightning, which is only the Alienware head in this case. And there's also the settings where you can update your dongle version and your headset version right now. But other than that, there's not a lot of settings to be had. And what's interesting is that there's no preset mode in Alienware Command Center this time. So what happens is that they're using Dolby Atmos here. So basically what it is that it will launch a separate app, which is Dolby Access, and it gives you the setting which allows you to change different modes, which was interesting because it offers a distinctive sound signature differences between gaming, movie, and music. So that's something I really feel is different this time around. And overall, I think the sound signature from the Alienware I quite like because it's like I would say it's really bassy. It offers a lot of bass, and I would say to me it sounds a lot better than the previous Logitech headphones I have. I think it's on par with the Asus's offerings. Offers more of that um, ba- more bass, and it offers a sort of that warmth that helps you actually feel the action, so to speak.